The Ford F-150 has held its place as America's best-selling truck for decades, and for good reason. It's known for power, capability, and the kind of versatility that makes it equally comfortable on a job site or a long highway drive. For many owners, the F-150 is more than just a vehicle. It's a tool, a daily companion, and sometimes even a symbol of reliability and strength. But as newer generations of the truck have evolved, bringing more advanced technology and improved fuel efficiency, a costly problem has quietly started showing up in certain models, catching many owners completely off guard. The issue centers around the EcoBoost engine lineup, particularly the turbocharged V6 engines that became extremely popular in the F-150 over the past decade. On paper, these engines are impressive. They deliver strong horsepower and torque while maintaining better fuel economy compared to traditional V8 engines. Ford marketed them as the perfect balance between performance and efficiency, and for many drivers, they delivered exactly that. But as these engines accumulated miles, a pattern began to emerge that mechanics and long-term owners couldn't ignore. One of the most talked about concerns involves timing chain stretch, especially in earlier versions of the 3.5-liter EcoBoost engine. The timing chain plays a critical role in synchronizing the engine's internal components, ensuring that the valves and pistons move in perfect coordination. Over time, some owners have reported that this chain begins to stretch prematurely, leading to a range of issues that can start subtly but escalate quickly. At first, drivers might hear a rattling noise during cold starts. It's easy to dismiss, especially since it may only last for a few seconds. But as the problem progresses, that noise can become more frequent, signaling that the timing components are wearing beyond their intended limits. If left unaddressed, a stretched timing chain can affect engine performance and, in severe cases, lead to significant internal damage. The repair itself is not simple or cheap. Replacing timing components in a modern engine requires extensive labor, often involving partial engine disassembly. For many owners, this means repair bills that can easily reach several $1,000s, turning what seemed like a minor noise into a major financial burden. Another costly issue that has surfaced in certain F-150 models involves carbon buildup on the intake valves. This is a common concern in direct injection engines, including the EcoBoost lineup. Unlike older engines that use port fuel injection to clean the intake valves with fuel spray, direct injection systems inject fuel directly into the combustion chamber. While this improves efficiency and power, it also means that the intake valves don't receive the same cleaning effect. Over time, carbon deposits can accumulate, restricting airflow and reducing engine performance. Drivers experiencing carbon buildup may notice rough idling, reduced fuel efficiency, or hesitation during acceleration. The problem doesn't usually appear suddenly. Instead, it develops gradually, making it difficult for owners to pinpoint exactly when the engine's performance started declining. Cleaning these deposits often requires specialized procedures such as walnut blasting, which adds another layer of maintenance cost that many owners didn't anticipate when purchasing the truck. The turbochargers themselves are another component that can contribute to long-term costs. Turbocharged engines operate under high heat and pressure, and while modern turbos are designed to be durable, they still depend heavily on proper maintenance. Issues such as oil contamination, worn seals, or boost control problems can affect turbo performance over time. When a turbocharger begins to fail, the symptoms can range from loss of power to unusual noises, or even smoke from the exhaust. Replacing a turbo is not a minor repair, and in some cases, both turbos may need attention depending on the engine configuration. Beyond the engine, some F-150 owners have also reported concerns related to the 10-speed automatic transmission found in newer models. This transmission was designed to improve fuel efficiency and provide smoother gear changes, but certain drivers have experienced rough shifting, hesitation, or unexpected gear changes under specific driving conditions. While software updates have addressed some of these issues, others have required more extensive mechanical intervention. Transmission repairs are among the most expensive fixes in any vehicle, and for a truck like the F-150, the cost can quickly escalate. What makes these issues particularly frustrating is that they often don't appear during the early years of ownership. Many F-150 drivers enjoy thousands of miles of trouble-free performance before any signs of these problems begin to show. This creates a sense of confidence in the vehicle, which is then challenged when unexpected repair needs arise later on. By that point, the truck may be out of warranty, leaving the owner responsible for the full cost of repairs. Despite these concerns, it's important to understand that not every F-150 will experience these problems. The truck remains one of the most capable and widely used vehicles on the road, and many owners continue driving their trucks for years without major issues. The key difference often comes down to maintenance habits, driving conditions, and how early potential problems are identified and addressed. Regular oil changes, for example, play a critical role in maintaining the health of turbocharged engines. Clean oil helps lubricate not only the engine's internal components, but also the turbochargers, reducing wear and preventing buildup that can lead to performance issues. Using high-quality fuel and following recommended service intervals can also make a noticeable difference in long-term reliability. Driving style is another factor that can influence how these components age. Trucks that are frequently used for heavy towing or aggressive driving may place additional stress on the engine and transmission, accelerating wear over time. On the other hand, vehicles driven more conservatively may experience fewer issues, even with higher mileage. For buyers considering a used F-150, understanding these potential problem areas is essential. A thorough inspection by a qualified mechanic can reveal early signs of timing chain wear, carbon buildup, or transmission concerns. Checking service records is equally important, as a well-maintained truck is far more likely to deliver reliable performance than one with inconsistent maintenance history. It's also worth noting that Ford has made continuous improvements to the EcoBoost engines and transmission systems over the years. Newer models often include updated components and software refinements designed to address earlier concerns. This means that while certain model years may be more prone to specific issues, later versions benefit from lessons learned through real-world use. The broader takeaway from this situation is that modern trucks are more complex than ever before. Advanced technology brings significant benefits in terms of performance, efficiency, and capability, but it also introduces new variables that can affect long-term ownership costs. The F-150's evolution reflects the entire automotive industry's shift toward more sophisticated engineering solutions, where even small components can have a big impact on reliability. For current F-150 owners, the best approach is proactive maintenance and awareness. Paying attention to unusual noises, changes in performance, or warning signs can help catch issues early before they become more expensive to fix. Staying informed about common problems and recommended service practices can also provide an advantage, allowing owners to make better decisions about their vehicles. At the end of the day, the Ford F-150 remains a powerful and capable truck that continues to dominate the market. Its combination of performance, versatility, and widespread availability makes it a top choice for millions of drivers. But like any modern vehicle, it comes with complexities that require attention and care, especially as mileage increases. The costly problem facing some F-150 owners isn't a single catastrophic flaw, but rather a combination of factors that can develop over time. From timing chain wear to carbon buildup and transmission concerns, these issues highlight the importance of understanding how modern engines and systems operate. For those who stay informed and maintain their trucks properly, the F-150 can still deliver years of reliable service. And that's the reality of owning a modern truck like the F-150. It's not just about power and capability anymore. It's about managing advanced technology and staying ahead of potential issues before they turn into expensive repairs. For some owners, that responsibility feels manageable, while for others, it's an unexpected challenge that changes their entire ownership experience.